Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our brand new Chrysler Pacifica Touring S. You can see with the key fobs I can open up all the power doors and trunk lid. This has a manual rear entry conversion, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. It's got these clamps here that keep these ramps from rattling, which is a great design. The designs, kind of slide here in the middle or turn, they're going to rattle on you. So this is a real good design. Really easy to do. I can operate the entire conversion, like I said, with just 2 fingers. It's got 2 handles on it. Look at that. Take it to the ground using just my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can pick half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than a side entry. It does taper down to 32 where the ramp sets there. You can see it has 8 tie-down points, so it can hold a gurney or stretcher or up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. This is actually deeper than the Caravan and the Sienna as far as the canal. So if you're trying to get 2 chairs in here, this would be a great van for it because that's a lot deeper than those other 2. Between the seats, 21 inches of room. You can slide, if the chair won't fit all the way between them, use the passenger's legs can sit here in the bottom right behind it. If you need more room between those seats, we can put narrow jump seats in there. We can put seats that flip up on their side. So let us know what you need. You know, not all sizes of chairs are equal. So, you know, if you need a little bit wider chair, wider room, let us know. Rear air controls. This is a brand new van. Steering wheel controls. Keep your eyes on the road. You got the backup camera. Dual climate control. Plenty of storage space down here. Lots of compartments. Real nice center console. I love how they've done the stitching here. They made these vans look great. And if you want to, power doors are also right there as well. You can operate them all. And when everybody's secure, you come back out, and we do give a free set of Q-string pull tight tie downs away with these. Look here, 1 finger. Once you got everybody secure, put it back up, lock it into place, and yes, this van is still under full factory warranty. 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge Chrysler, 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. And the conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion itself. Now, the competition is going to try to tell you they have a better conversion than we do. Well, ask them why their conversion only goes up to 36,000 miles and ours goes unlimited. I think you got your answer right there. Got a driver's power seat here. And if you say you're going to use this for a cab company and you want to turn the doors to manual, all you got to do is push that button right there. Very easy to do. Let me do my silhouette here. Turns into a regular sliding door, so you have that option if you want to use that. Just a beautiful van. Dodge has done a wonderful job with these vans. Interior is very clean. I will do a quick walk around of it. I'm not going to take it out and drive it because I want to keep the miles down for the future owner. It's got the tinted windows, those dark alloy wheels. I think it looks great. Now they've come a long way with these minivans. These aren't really more of a crossover looking vehicle. Got the backup sensors as well, so if a child runs behind you that you don't see in your backup camera or something like that, it's going to beep, and it'll even automatically brake for you when you're going in there in reverse. So it's another great safety feature to have, especially if you have little ones running around. It also has the lane departure warning, so if you're going to change lanes and you didn't see that person in your blind spot, it's going to beep at you, and that little triangle is going to turn orange, or a yellow color, I should say. We do have financing available for these. We can do an application over the phone. We can send one to your email. We can send one to your to your phone as well. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And my name is Jeremiah. If you want to give me a call, if you have any questions over any of our inventory, give me a call. 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition, are they committed enough to customer satisfaction to give you the owner's cell phone number? I doubt they will, but give it a shot, see what they say. Also, keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've got a great reputation online. Everything we do is we try to be very transparent about our vehicles and what we're doing. So give me a call today if you have any questions. As always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.